Hey everybody, how y'all doing? Welcome back to our channel. So the kids and I are going to be working on a small project today. It's going to be one of those Tidy Tuesdays, a 15-minute quick clean in your house to do a few things. If you can get more than one thing done in 15 minutes, you go right along for it. I'm going to focus on one area of my home today, and the kids are going to help me. So if you're new around here, my name's Shakima. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Now, normally it's February the 2nd, and normally what I do is starting January, like the second week in January, I always do from a bowl full of lemons, her 14-week clean my house challenge. Well, I have not had any free weekends yet or any free weeks. The kids and I are very busy throughout the week. So what I figured is I would just go around and do little mini projects around the house until June. The reason I'm waiting until June, which would be the second half of the year, is because I am out of school. I'm out of work in June. And if I wait until June, that gives me June and July and part of August to go ahead and do some projects. So she has 14 weeks worth of projects. I think there are a couple areas that I don't have in my home that she has on her list. So that's either going to help me shrink it and get it done during the summer, or I'll just keep going into the beginning of the school year. But we'll see how that all works out. But today, the kids and I are going to be tackling underneath the sink. It is just team too much, and I need to get some stuff squared away. So let me turn my camera around and show you what we're working on. Here's my kitchen sink, and this is what it looks like under the sink. Probably not the best lighting, but we got a lot going on. Now, I have those weird pipes, and of course, my garbage disposal. I try not to put anything over there that's going to be harmful. I actually need to season all of my cast iron, so I may get that. I may take a minute to do that while I'm cleaning everything out, and then restock it under there. And the reason I put it there is because I can get it in and out without it ever messing with the garbage disposal. But I normally keep my cleaning products under here, dish towels, dishwasher tabs, all those types of things. And I was going through some stuff the other day, and I realized that I have a junk drawer. I have a second junk drawer, and then I have a third junk drawer. So I am not utilizing these drawers here correctly or properly, and that just cannot continue. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to have the kids and I pull everything out. We're gonna give everything like a quick wipe down, and then we're going to rehome some of these items, especially some of these items that should not be there. We're gonna take everything out and put it on the table in the middle of the room, and then I'm going to go through, we're going to condense some stuff, throw some stuff away, and we're just going to give everything a quick clean. So 15 minutes is all we're going to try to use here. We're going to set our timer and get started. Okay, everything out. I'm going to get some stuff out of here. Just everything back on the table back there.
In my bag.
This is for something else.
Here's another one.
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't want to run for them. And these used to be my.
Everything up here. Ouch. Why is this in here? Put that knife. It's a knife.
I'm not always in
But put it over there in the other one.
where? Where do you put it?
In the back, all the way in the back. It's dish soap. Alana, do we have any little small,
Y'all leave this stuff?
everything has to come out. But don't jam or mess up with that black thing right there, please.
And even the fire extinguisher?
Everything comes out so we can at least clean it and vacuum it out. It's something that just fell. That's a little piece that I don't know how to get. Why, friend? Just why?
Why tomorrow?
said tomorrow. You said you were like tomorrow Sunday. Tomorrow Sunday.
I said tomorrow. I'm glad tomorrow's Monday.
Can we get everything out, please? And are there any more little small things like this up here?
No. Just gonna throw this in there. Snap, snap, snap.
We're gonna need a vacuum cleaner so that we can vacuum everything out. Alrighty, you guys, the kids and I are done. So we did want to show you. Now, I did not end up seasoning my cast iron. I'll do it another day. But we did get rid of one of the baskets that was down here. We only have this one red one. And in that basket, we just have our drying mat and a few of the cleaning supplies that would not fit in the drawer. We just have our paper towels and extra paper towels down there. We do have a kitchen fire extinguisher way in the back. And that all works out. And I want you to see my child. We have no idea what he's doing or why.
He's dancing like Trandon.
Dancing like Trandon? Is that what he does?
I don't know what Trandon does, but it's...
Oh my goodness. Probably does. Don't mind those dishes. Finishing a roast. All right, so here's what we did. We just put, sometimes I like to write on my bags, you know, dimensions, not dimensions, but portion size. So I keep bags. These are where we keeping all the stoppers, and then this is all the steel wool and the sponge pads that are unused. Once we use them, we'll just toss them in the trash. In this second drawer here, we're keeping all of the hand towels and dish towels, as well as any of the essential oils and the wax melts. We had quite a few wax melts, and I threw away quite a few. Now, here's a problem. I had 4 of these, and I could not figure out why I had 4 of those, but I think it came from when we were having the hurricanes. Since I've lived in this house, we've had 2 hurricanes, and we stayed for one and we left for one. And I always wanted to make sure I had one of these in each of the main rooms, just in case we needed candles. So that's why those are there. The one that's unopened, we put in the garage. And then down here, we just put some cleaning supplies. Just our dishwashing tabs. We have those gloves we use most of the time. And then there's some oven cleaners, some dishwashing cleaners, some extra hand soap, some, what we use, the Wymans we use on our stovetop, and then some scrubby brushes. So pretty much there it is. Didn't take us long at all to get some stuff done. You know, 15 minutes and you can do anything you want in your home to refresh a space. So thank you guys so much for stopping by our channel, and we'll see you next time. Bye now.